Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the BNS channel. My name is EdieAnne and it's Scent and Warmer of the Month time. Got my box right here and we are going to dig right in. Not wasting any time because this one is a fun one and I think it might take some time to go through it. So I don't want to waste any of that time. So let's just empty the box first. If you are a consultant, you have the ability to purchase the Scent and Warmer of the Month prior to the month that it's released and have the opportunity to do what I'm doing, and that's to experience it prior to it being available to customers. So we are in the season of heat, and so they put ice and thermal packs on all of the wax. This one is a very sticky one, I might add. So you got your ice pack in there, which mine is melted at this point. There are 9 bars. So let's get those out. I'm hurrying, so I got fumble fingers. Do you know what fumble fingers are? Okay, there. So there are 9 bars. This is a beautiful color, by the way. Kind of similar to the ones that we've had recently. Make Waves, was that it? The last one? This one is called Summer Rain. Nice slate, dark slate blue. And it smells like a minty thunderstorm. It smells good. But it's kind of got a minty scent to it. I wonder what that is. So with this packet, you get 50 of the flyers that talk about the Scent and Warmer. So let's read it. Dew sprinkled cyclamen, fresh botanicals, and a pinch of black lava salt capture the earthy, sweet scent of passing summer storm. There's no mint at all. I don't know what cyclamen is. We've had that a lot recently, I find. This is a nice, clean, fresh smell. Not too strong, but it's nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to give that an 8 on my scale. I really like it. I think it's going to be better warmed because some of those other scents that it's talking, like the lava salt and the fresh botanicals, that's all going to come through once everything is warmed together. So that'll be nice. Okay. Now we have a tester. Here are the 9 bars. Okay. We have a room spray. That's all part of it. And then we have the scented stickers. The scented stickers are an awesome marketing tool, by the way, and customers seem to love them because they're simple and they're simple, period. There's not much else to say. They're simple. All right, so here's a neat thing. I got this in there. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but we're about ready to find out. So here's the warmer. The warmer is called In Motion. In Motion. And there is a card that talks about how to put it together. So you're going to want to do that. Okay. 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 That is a PVC plastic base with the name Scentsy on it. I have never seen a base like this before. Ever. All right, let's do this. Let's see. And then here's the lid and the bulb inside, and the dish is all the way at the bottom in this one, which is a very I've never had a warmer box set up like this. Is it upside down? No. Just making sure. All right, so here's the dish. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in there till we're done. And unwrap that, get the bulb out because I want to show you, because this is called In Motion for a reason. In Motion. I have some really wacky hair going on today. All right, let's get that bulb out of there. I'm gonna put the bulb in here. Okay, that looks like a 25-watt bulb. Is it? Doesn't say. Yep, 25 watt. Okay. Did you know that if you looked at the bottom of your warmers, you can tell what the wattage is on the bulb? Okay, this is glass, and this goes right on top like that, and then the dish goes here. Just like that. That's pretty motif. Very modern, right? That's a very modern look. So let's see what these things are, shall we? I believe that these are inserts that make, there's 2 of them. Okay, so let's take out one of them. And these little pegs right here go on the inside, so you're going to want to put them through from the outside. And there's 3 slots here, so it's kind of self-explanatory how to put it together. I watched a video of somebody doing it. So we're going to go ahead and pop those in there like that. There. Simple enough. Okay. Now, from what I understand, you should be able to just slide this on the inside, which you do. Okay, so it gives it a whole different look. See how that, now, here's the key. When it's turned on, the thing that you saw on the bottom actually turns and will make it move, not the glass part, but the insert will move. But see what it's doing? That's exactly what it's going to look like as it's on. That cool or what? So there are 2 different sleeves. They give 2 different looks, I guess. All right, so that one is kind of a zebra-ish stripe, and this one is kind of a Moroccan. It kind of looks Moroccan because of this thing, but when you look at it, it kind of looks chevron, huh? So we're gonna put this together, same as the other one, from the outside. You definitely need both of your hands to do this because of, it wanting to do that. It pops out because it's stiff. I mean, you want it to be nice and stiff. It is plastic. It's not paper. Just FYI. Okay, there. So that's put together. Now let's put it in here and see. Yeah, that's pretty cool too, right? That looks like arrows. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so let's read a little bit about this. An unique spinning design combines with pattern screens for a fluid, hypnotic display that's truly one of a kind. The screens are imprinted with intriguing geometric patterns that are made for motion, so you get 2 distinctive looks with 1 warmer. You actually get 3 distinctive looks with 1 warmer because if you remember, without the sleeve, that already looks pretty cool. It will not turn because it's not the glass that turns, right? What happens is this goes here and it's this black base that turns. It's this base right here that turns. Okay, so that's what's going to turn these. Okay, so not the glass. The glass is not turning because the glass sits down below on the white part. And this isn't going anywhere, you guys. Okay, so there's still a toggle on and off switch, the dish on the top, and you can have it without the insert, or you can have it with this insert or this insert. So that's 3 looks, if you ask me, not 2. So I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to give you guys a little demonstration, and we'll be right back. Okay, here's the warmer. This is without any of these sleeves. Let's go ahead and turn it on. See, that's kind of neat. It has kind of a cage look, and I like that. Look at this. Oh, and that's the little piece that's moving inside. So let's look at that. See what it's doing? That's kind of neat, huh? Okay, hopefully this isn't going to blow you out too much. But there's the base. There's the base moving. And that's the part that's going to move this. Right? Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and put this on top. Wow, check that out. Look at that. Shh, 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 shh. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now let's put the other insert to see the difference of what. Oh, I like that one. I like this one. That's pretty cool. And look, you know, it makes a shadow on the surface, and I'm sure it will on the wall if the wall were close enough. All right, thanks guys for watching this video. And here are all the components of the Scent and Warmer of the Month, except there are 9 of these. And you get the flyers, which I didn't show in here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's called In Motion, and the scent is called Summer Rain. It will be available on July 1st at 10% off, and we will see you then. If you want to get one earlier, or if you want to pre-order, just let me know. www.beautyandscents.net. Have a great day.